Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon everyone. I hope the sound is okay. You can hear me just right and we can start the preparation session for today's trading day, which has been quite a roller coaster mode already since yesterday afternoon. Amazing how the market just reacted, guys, on Powell's speech or Q&As, I would say FOMC press conference and the lack of the rate cut again. Plus, as you know, we just got some more economic news and even the big earnings of Meta and Microsoft. Hi, Brian. Hi, Frank, Justin, Marco. Good morning to you. And of course, good morning, team, Clifton, Scott, DVG. Welcome, everyone. So let's see how this last trading day of July is going to work out for the market. So far seems like it's quite a historical day again. If you are just checking my chart here, we can see that this is a new all-time high for the indices already for the SPY and the triple Q. S&P 500, it is higher now, almost 1%. Triple Q, I'm just checking where it is. I think it's even stronger. Let me just check it. 1.36% higher. Amazing indeed. So huge day coming, traders. I'm a bit afraid again that the pre-market moves are a little bit too much, too fast, too furious. But let's see whether it can last and the enthusiasm on the bulls are still here and going to stay, because actually I've seen in the past several times when the market started quite euphoristic, in an euphoristic mood, and after that it started to pull back and filled again. So I'm going to take this into consideration as well when I'm going to make my evaluation on the setups, traders, and I would say I just encourage you to do the same. So be careful, you're really much extended to the upside. Also, I would say there is nothing to ruin this mood. However, if we just check the economic side, and especially the Fed's favorite inflation goal, which was the price index, PC, core PC price index, this has been not that good as it should have, because actually it is a biggest rise in 4 months. It shows the biggest rise in 4 months on the PCE, and that's definitely not a good news for the market. But let's see how it's going to get impacted after the market opens, because as you can see, the data, it was released at 2:30 or 8:30 my time, 2:30, so 8:30 market time, and as you can see, it was not impacted too much at all, so no pullback or nothing like that. It's firmly standing over 640 on the SPY in the pre-market. So let's see how we are going to continue. Huge move to the upside, and the bulls are in control so far, at least. High end, good morning to you. So yesterday trading day, in the beginning, it was a quite, I would say, slow and very choppy. I ended in red, unfortunately, small red though. But I don't know. Sometimes before this federal funds rate decision, FOMC meeting meetings, and so on, when there is a big happening in the afternoon, usually the market is slow, choppy, a little bit more risky as usual. And this, what I experienced yesterday or so, the majority of the TEFS YouTube room, it was very nice and green. So I'm very proud of you guys. Just keep the great job like that. And hopefully today with Amir here in the YouTube, we are going to take a really, really nice day and we will nail it with nice green trades. But let's see what has happened in a nutshell again, especially for the newcomers. Hi, Sharko. Good morning to you. Well, indeed, traders are many things. A lot just happened since yesterday, 2 p.m. Taking consideration that the Fed skipped the interest rate cut again. Also, I've just told you I was talking about this before. This FOMC press conference and the Fed decision, that the FOMC, actually it looks like split, because Waller and another FOMC member speakers, they seem like going for the rate cut rather, but so far they are not the majority, so no rate cut yet indeed. And today, after a fantastic Microsoft and Meta, both of them beat the estimate. Actually, Meta is up 11% and Microsoft's 8.60. So huge move on the Meta and the Microsoft, and even bigger enthusiasm around the AI still, and they are spending a lot still to improve their AI field indeed. I'm just going to talk about this a little bit more soon when we are just going to go for the big movers. So after that, of course, this caused a huge pullback after the disappointment from Powell on the rate cut. And today, the PCE price index shows like nothing, not everything is bright and shiny and green for the bulls, because unfortunately the inflation just posted a biggest rise in 4 months. So it looks like tariffs is just sneaking in to the inflation. This is not a good news for sure. Hi, David. Good morning to you. Brix Coder, nice to see you. Good day to you as well. And what else in the news? As you know, not just Meta and the Microsoft were in the spotlight a little bit more indeed, but definitely these two companies are the biggest ones who has just been released. Or did release the earnings after market close, but here is CMCSA, ARM, and a lot more, which I'm going to talk about. Regarding the economic side, after the PCE price index and of course unemployment claims, which was just slightly under the expectations, we will get Chicago PMI at 945 traders, and after that, nothing indeed. So that is it about the economic news. Hi, Dan. Nice to see you. Good morning to you. On the international field, well, another big happening is going to take in place tomorrow, which is going to be the tariff deadline from Trump. This is the 1st of August, and seems like that the rest of the countries who has not reached any deal yet with the US, they will get these tariffs live. Actually, they are going to go live from tomorrow. We don't know yet what's going to cause that on the US side, but one thing is for sure, not for sure, I would say, because Trump always can surprise us, but he told that this time he doesn't want to postpone this 1st of August deadline indeed, which is actually tomorrow. German inflation dips to cooler than expected 1.8% in July, so that's much better news for Germany and the European Union, because here in the US it was just going higher. Moderna in the news to slash 10% of workforce as biotech cuts costs, COVID short sales slow. Comcast is here as well with earnings top analyst estimates despite broadband customer losses, so quite of a mixed news for the Comcast. And of course, we have still more. And on the headline in the CNBC, there is Bessent, Treasury Secretary Bessent says we have the makings of a deal with China. So this is another thing which it still boosts the bulls, because as you know, in the beginning of the week, the two big countries, they just sit by the table to talk about this trade deals indeed between US and China, but they could not get into a conclusion or even to make another truce or just to get in longer. But so far seems like there is a positive development on that side as well. So far traders seems like that the bulls are completely unstoppable. Also, again, I'm just warning you, I've seen that so many times during my 18 years of trading, that when something is so fast, so much going up, and it's starting with a huge gap, like 1% almost on the SPY, even more on the triple Q, I'm going to be careful on the gap fill as well. All right, so let's see Asia. Asia is down, Hang Seng 1.60, but Nikkei is up thanks to the BOJ decision. Europe very mixed, and despite of the inflation drop, the DAX is down 0.26% at the moment. Futures, all of them are very much in green, of course, thanks to Meta and Microsoft. Nasdaq is the leader indeed. And on the Bitcoin side, it could not move too much. It's still on this 118 or so, above 118. This big package and lows and decisions regarding the crypto um, field from Trump, it did not get it. It was quite positive, but still there are a lot of legal issues, especially among the banks and so on, how they can accept the different cryptos and so on. I'm not going to go into details in that. There are really great articles which are just describing the situation now on the crypto field. Also, the crypto is in green as well for today, but the Bitcoin could not make this amazing breakout over the 120 yet. So this is the situation now, traders, and let's just go to the big movers. So today, actually, as I see, Scott is out with his list, CRWV. Yeah, it's on my list as well because it got an upgrade. So might we can just start it with this stock instead of Microsoft and Meta, which is definitely on our list because it's just got a beautiful earnings on both sides. CRWV, it just got a nice upgrade. That's why we can just put it on the long list. About that, as I see, even energy stocks are moving too, but we have a little bit more, much better here, like NCLH as well, CVS, Comcast, Meta, Microsoft, I already mentioned to you. So after yesterday, Humana looks like CVS is moving as well. The stock up 7% after the drugstore chain reported an earnings and revenue beat. So CVS just can go to the long side. So yesterday it was another big mover. Let's see whether today it can push higher. CMCSA added 6%. Second quarter earnings beat estimates. This can go to the long side as well, indeed, and NCLH, which is 12% higher following though a mixed second quarter results. However, I just would like to take a look at the daily chart of these stocks as well. Let's just start with NCLH, which is just breaking out a fantastic bull flag, and there is still plenty room to go. Also, I would like to warn you that NCLH is not a huge mover, so do not expect this to move like dollars. Here comes CMCSA, which is higher at the moment, or 5%. Very nice pre-market volume on the daily chart. It's extremely extended, looks like as a triple bottom. Actually, I like it to the upside. This can be a great, great candidate to the long side. And the first one, which I mentioned, it was CVNS, healthcare company, 6.40% higher, 600 K in the pre-market, and this looks like as a double bottom as well. About the 200 EMA looks like as a great possible continuation based on the daily. Meta, Microsoft, guys, they are extended and even starting with a gap. Nothing else to say. Let's see whether there will be some let's call it like profit takers, or both of them are still going to move even higher. I'm going to be careful with Meta and Microsoft, though traders also both of them just made a huge beat. Meta now anticipates revenue between 47.50 billion to 54.5, and the analyst estimated was 46. Microsoft 9% up, beat on top and bottom estimates as well. CoreWave, as I mentioned, you upgraded from city to buy from neutral, very strong upgrade. That's why I'm going to put it on my watch list. WDC, it's on the long list as well. It is 6% higher. Company reported it just for now. Again, an earnings mover. Traders, this is a very, very busy week and seems like it has not stopped yet. Also, I must tell you that this concerns me a bit, this stock as well, because of the fact that it's extended. However, as you can see, might this $80 can be a possible second touch on the WDC today. Let's see how many bulls stay just here. Okay, what else in here? Cigna, Bristol Myers, Shake Shack, Biogen, Caravana, and even BUD, which is going to be my first short candidate today because BUD and Anheuser-Busch, it is just lower on the reports. All right, so first short candidate, BUD. Bristol Myers, it's coming here. This is higher indeed. BMY company second quarter broke or get over the estimation. That's great. Cigna is there too. Healthcare stock following the company's second quarter fiscal results. This was a quite of a good one, but this is just to the secondary list traders. I am afraid of the volume here on the CI as well, and even the fact that this is quite of an expensive stock with a lower volume. That's why CI is going to go to my secondary list only. Hi Zuki, Roblox. Yeah, I've just seen it. That's mind blowing. Roblox is up 20%. So I really hope Amir is going to join today, because I would say that he was very much right that until there is summer, Roblox is still going up. Now it's not going up, it's just rocketing up, actually. Amazing. So Roblox can go to the long list. Biogen, Caravana, Align, holdings as well, and so on, technology as well, and so on. Ooh, guys, a lot. Maybe I need a little bit more time to get here everything on the list. Amazing. BIIB, very nice mover, but low volume. I need to prioritize very much traders because I have a lot on my long list already. QCOM is here, and Caravana. The car seller surged 18% after its second quarter earnings as well. Maybe the lower price stocks like BMY, it's not my favorite either, and even WDC, I'm going to put it on the secondary list because Caravana, that's a beast mover. So that's why I'm going to put it on the first list. Align Technology is coming here, ALGN, and this is my second on the short because the stock sank nearly 30% after the automotive parts manufacturer earnings and revenue for the second quarter completely missed the expectations. Ouch, that's definitely not a good news for ALGN, but at least we have the second short candidate here. QCOM at the third one tumbled 5% despite reporting a good earnings, but some business segment revenues came in lighter than expected, so QCOM can just go to the short list. ARM as well. As ARM, this is, as you know, a semiconductor company, fell short of expectations. Indeed, so ouch, but ARM going lower. Figma, Roblox, and eBay are the last. eBay is not a big mover nowadays. If you like it, also it's moving a lot on the good earnings, now 12% higher if you like. Figma is here, software developer, which is expected to debut on the New York Stock Exchange Thursday under the ticker symbol of FIG. Scott just called it for you. So this is going to be our IPO today. And Roblox 18% after the gaming platform raised its full year bookings guidance and reported a lot of great users. Indeed, 41% year over year. Fantastic. Huge move on the Roblox traders. So this is going to be my last one. All right, guys. Hi, Lee. Good morning to you. Oh, Darren, thank you very much for your list. Yeah, we have so many candidates today, traders. So I would say we definitely need prioritization with the today's movers. And one thing is for sure, it's going to be full of opportunities. And again, be careful for the profit takings because this market is now is just not going up. It's not the right description for that. It's just rocketing to the moon or to the Mars. I don't know. Definitely, if I would be Elon, then definitely we are going to the Mars, not the moon. But anyway, very strong market traders. Also, be careful, okay? You are going to be in great hands of Scott and DVG today in the VIP room, the 44 trading room. I wish you a beautiful green day. Thank you, Clifton, as always. And traders, don't forget, this is the last day of the sale of the TEFS challenges and funded accounts. If you are interested and not a US resident, you just come and grab it because this is the last day of it, and for tomorrow it's not reachable anymore. So good luck, everyone. Have a beautiful green day, and of course I'm going to stay on the YouTube for an extra hour. Bye, everyone. Take care. All right, YouTube traders, how are you today? Hope everyone is ready for this fantastic Thursday trading day. And actually, I'm just going to get you Amir soon. Hi, Amir. You are going to be transported. Just a second. for the YouTube room. Just give me 1 second, please. Wow, this market is crazy. Have you seen what it done? Big move yesterday to the downside. Now it's just making a new all-time high. Crazy times we are in, I would say. Okay, just a second and you will be in the room. All right. All right, traders. So, hi, Amir. Welcome. Hope
Hey
you are
Aggie,
doing
hi
great.
traders, what's going on?
Craziness, I would say craziness.
How
Do
is
you?
your teeth? How is your mouse, your teeth?
Oh, it's my teeth. It's okay now because it's out.
Okay, okay.
But wow, that was actually Amir just heard me talking and he was just smiling because I was not actually I tried speaking but I could not really. So
Does doesn't
I'm
matter.
better now. As you can hear, I can at least
Yeah,
tell.
I hear you. Guys, do you hear me well? Guys, quick sound check.
Okay, traders, please let us know in the YouTube room whether you can hear us. I mean me and Amir as well, not just myself.
Maybe they are
Okay.
shy today.
All good,
Okay,
Andrew B. Thank you very much.
okay.
Thank you, guys.
Andrew, you see, it's good that you answer. I noticed something. Um, I have to see if I'm here. This is my fifth or my sixth time, but I have to give you statistics because I remember on Tuesday, did you take, I think, the ALB, correct? I think. What I notice is the last two triggers that I give, basically, they are in the last three sessions, they're just, you can actually trade them to the end of the day. Last Tuesday, before we went, we had ALB, which did like 2 points. And of course, we have NVO that did tremendous. Like,
Nice.
I noticed this. It's a good statistic. So don't worry that you need to trade the first, 30, 45 minutes. Uh, Things happen. So,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah, I just noticed this. I thought I will, share it because it was ridiculous. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
Okay. I don't know what I'm going to trade today. Like, I'm going to do second and third day from yesterday, day before, maybe from the candidates today. I'm going to do arms. I don't know what I can do with Microsoft Meta, like,
Yeah, it's too much.
I don't know if too
It's
much. I need to see
crazy.
what they're doing. Yeah, it's
Yeah, sure,
digest or
definitely.
whatever. Yeah.
Or
So I'm going to give
profit
you my
taking.
stocks.
I don't know. I was thinking, that might there will be some profit taking today.
I don't know.
Um,
I don't know. Yeah. And I don't
Me
know.
neither. Me neither.
Yeah.
Have you seen Roblox? You were
Yeah.
right. Look at that. It's at 150 now.
Ah. Agi, it's the summer, Agi.
I know. It's still summer.
Summer.
We still
Probably they have
have
profit.
1 month, 1 full month of gaming. Indeed.
Yeah, maybe in Spain the kids will go to the beach, so they don't will not have time to spend in front of the computer.
Oh, I'm
So,
sure. I'm sure. No, actually, by us it's limited. So, my son he can play 2 hours per when there is
uh,
a holiday break.
yeah, see, he will go surfing. I think it's better.
Yeah, definitely. Something else, just not from in front of the monitor.
What else?
CVNA, what do you think about CVNA? And guys, if you have any questions or any candidates, please just write us as well.
I don't know, Agi. I really don't know. Like the numbers and everything.
Mm,
It's like, um, at least for me, for the opening, I don't know what to do with this, with
mm.
those kind of things. So, for example, I'm gonna write you my stuff on, and then second, third day, I have a lot. Uh, I have. Oh, what else we can do today is also look at the Norwegian cruise
CLH.
NCLH.
Mm-hmm.
This is something we actually can deal. The range
Mm.
of the stock and everything. That could be something. Okay, so these are the two for the momentum, and the second day, third day, I have a lot. Gonna
Mm-hmm.
be hymns. Gonna be each name is like really phenomenal. Sulfi and VO of course, and I want to do VFC. Also had something.
VFC. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So these are my stocks.
Okay. HIMS. Yeah, I always miss that stock today. I don't want to. If something is going to happen there, HIMS, I'm definitely going to watch
My
it.
volume is big. I don't know how to. I will
HIMS.
whisper. I will whisper. Lee. I will whisper.
um, I I did lower your volume already, but let me know, guys, if
Okay.
it's still needed.
I will try to control myself, but I'm not promising if they're gonna be a great trade. I'm not promising. I will pump your ears. I don't care.
I'm going to control you, at least your voice, your
Aggie will
sound.
try to control me. My wife can control me, but she wants to control. Okay.
I like challenges,
Yeah.
That's why
So
we are moving in 2 weeks
yeah.
with 2 dogs and 1 cat, plus two
You have ev- you
children.
have, you have everything packed.
Oh yeah, I just packed
Good.
like 20
Good.
boxes, and I think I will still have 20 boxes.
It's good. It's good. You can throw a lot of things and renew. It's good. It's good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Exciting times coming, guys.
Exciting, yeah. For you and definitely for the kids.
Oh yeah, for
Kids
them
is
definitely.
amazing, yeah. When we did for the States, and they grew there and yeah, they see the world, it's amazing.
Hmm.
And everything is better than Hungary.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, guys. Now let's see. Hi Lee, by the way, sorry, I forgot to say hello. Traders, by the way, please don't forget, if you are interested in the TEFS challenges and funded accounts, this is the last day of the earnings sale. Stylish ending because Microsoft and Meta we got the earnings yesterday after market close today, Amazon and Apple. So grab it. If you are not a US citizen, you can just go and grab or packages and programs in a really great discount. It's almost like 30% now. We even got an increase for the last day. So go and grab it, and we can meet even in a personal mentoring after that, and you can get a subscription to the VIP room to Scott and DVG. So let's just go there. I'm going to pin the message here so you will see it on the top of the chat. Okay, so here we are. And let's just make a great green day, Amir. I think we will get too many opportunities maybe.
Yeah.
And I don't know how about you, but I'm a bit cautious about the gap fill on the market too.
I don't have any opinion, Aggie.
I
I'm gonna
know.
watch. I'm gonna watch the stocks and see what's going on. Yeah, I don't really have. I have some levels, and even though I think I have too many stocks, but
Yep. And
let's see.
actually, the interesting thing is my watch list because, hi Alamu, good morning to you. Because actually, if I'm just checking my watch list, there are lots of red. Like, seems like they really Meta and Microsoft pushed the market. And if they start profit taking, I don't know.
What which stock do you have red?
Red,
Except Qualcomm.
Pepsi, CVX, PayPal, KO, IBM, Google,
Yeah,
Apple,
PayPal. It's the second day. I remember,
mm, mRNA, MU is green, red
and
as
Pep.
well.
I will leave you, Pep. I don't like to trade PepsiCo.
No, me
I don't
neither.
know. I don't.
Just
I
tell me
don't
to
see
go
any edge
in there.
there. I don't. Okay.
Okay, good luck, everyone. Ooh, Scott like CRWV already. That's a that's a crazy one sometimes. Oh, and I forgot Shake Shack. which is down as well. Okay.
Jeez. Immediately.
Mm, wow.
Arms wide open. Yeah.
CRWV as well, traders. Huge upgrade for the stock. Okay, SPY is pulling back. Triple Q is pulling back a little bit. It was expected, I would say, from my side at least. Okay. All right. I'm wondering what Roblox is going to do here. I have CVNA on the chart, traders. $390 level. Actually, this is a new high, all-time high on the CVNA as well, not just on the Microsoft and Meta. ARM, that's just going down. WDC I'm watching too, that got a good news. But oof, what a crazy candles here to start with, Amir. That's wow. Okay. Roblox. Google Raspi checking. Hola.
I'm gonna take NCL edge over the highs.
Mm,
2665. Give it 15 cents, not more than that. It need to work
nice.
immediately. I'm sizing according. I want to see. Okay, it broke a little bit, so it's like 20 cents. Doesn't matter. Above over the high, 2665. I want to see if it's holding. If the buyers are coming, and here above 65.
Okay. CVNA looks like as a breakout too. I still cannot see anything which I like. Maybe HIMS, which is a little bit similar to the NCLH, indeed. NVDA, Meta looks 780. CVNA very strong, really strong. On the Google, yeah, huge gap down actually. But let's just be careful with that, Raspi. WDC just pushed higher. Meta breaking, CVNA breaking, ARM just down like crazy. Overall market is hovering around the VWAP. Nothing interesting so far. Traders, I like CRWV 115. Lower share size, very, very um, very early trade and stop loss it's under the lows, so especially that's why it's a lower share size indeed. Looks interesting for a possible breakout. I'm going to get it on 115.05. MU is weak. Wow.
What's new about this
I
stupid
know,
stuff?
I know you don't like it too much.
No, I like it very
You
much,
like
but
it,
then I
yeah.
decide I don't want to watch it. That's it. I had too much time with that stock. Enough is enough.
Mm, okay. What else in here? CVNA just broke already. Ah, CVNA. I knew it's going to do the 400. That's crazy. I hope some of you or one of you at least nailed it, guys. I was too shy for that crazy mover. Okay. Got Amazon here. Amazon is going to get earnings after market close. It's just pulling back now. Tesla, it's starting to be stronger here too. Okay.
When you take NVO under
China.
48.75, stop gonna be like 30 cents. It's really pretty close to that level.
Mm-hmm. Nice. I'm watching even
I want to see the
SMCI.
ask. The ask breaking it.
NCLH looks great. I think I'm going to
NCLH.
join. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
going to join you over the high. It looks great indeed. 2682. I'm going to join here. Overall market is still a little bit undecided, and traders, as I've told you, I'm not going to be surprised on a small pullback, and I'm going to take TQQQ under 91, 91 and 50 for for a short. Under 91 and 50. CVNA, that's my miss for the morning, and let's see if the market is really, I'm sure that might is going to have a little pullback. If there will be, I am in it for the TQQQ. 48 is going to be my entry there. All right, SMCI. SMCI is strong
Yeah.
as well. Have you seen that?
Yeah, yeah. SMCI, AMD, all of them look the same. Yeah.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
AMD. CVS, not my favorite. Yes, and I wanted to check this HIMS. IPO FIG, thank you, Clifton. Yes.
Yeah, we have today. Lot of expectation for that one.
On the FIG. Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everybody's talking about it.
Mm, okay. Wow, Shake Shack. I was watching this 124
NVR
levels.
not relevant. I'm still watching it.
Okay. Meta looks like another breakout. Microsoft, though, it pulled back, but Meta is just going higher. That's it. Crazy. Wondering on HIMS 6730 maybe. Looks like a beast mode today. But only over 6730. Let's see. My traders. So if you have any candidates here, please just let us know. So far, yeah, and we don't, oh, just started to go higher. Indices are a little bit, I mean, the two ETFs are a little bit muted today. I'm not, I'm not surprised on that huge gap up to start with. Okay, let's go HIMS.
Yeah, I didn't find a trigger there. Yeah, it was on
Um,
my watch list. Yeah.
want to see like a 68, like a little, scalp here. Yeah, market. We need the market. Like, not everything is definitely continuous higher now. Lack of the market direction. It's never good. NVIDIA actually it's pulling lower now, which I'm watching a little bit closer. How about Apple? Apple, nothing. Scott is mentioning this QCOM. It's moving down. Okay, traders. So far, market is a bit stuck. CRWV is working and CLH struggling around a little bit. And HIMS is in. And on the HIMS, I would like to see a 68 for the first partial. CRWV 117, first partial.
I'm gonna take AMD over 180, a dollar stop. I'm gonna
Hmm?
write you AMD.
Wait, okay. I'm wondering
And
where the
Sage is not
Roblox.
working. Under 50, I'm gonna be out. Like 46, something like this.
Mm.
Okay, I'm in.
I'm watching even SMCI around the $62 area. Traders HIMS, it's very volatile. Let's be careful with that. As always, I would say. Tesla looks like as it really tries for going for a breakout here. 321. I still think it's stronger. Oh, come on, and or HIMS.
NVO under 49, 30-cent stop. NVO.
Mm-hmm. It's on my chart readers if you're interested. Okay, I'm still holding all the three shares also. I don't like this pullback on CRWV especially and on HIMS. Still staying in that. Market is not doing too much at all. Just hovering around. Roblox is over the Viva, which I'm still watching as well.
Okay, NVO in.
So far, I don't like this market. It's very much stuck. Okay, traders, here comes HIMS, hopefully for the first partial there. As usual, I'm just going to take my 75% off, and I've just entered to, I just did enter to this TQQQ as well. HIMS, I'm going to take 75% off. I just do not trust this market too much, especially if it's just going to start suddenly to go down. No, it's not a big profit, but at least something on the HIMS. Oh, it just came back before I just at the button. Okay, it is back. Yes, triple Q broke. Guys, on the TQQQ, I want to see 91.10 for the partial. 91.10. HIMS is coming back to the partialing point in the meantime. Amir, are you still holding NCLH?
No, 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 no.
Okay, I'm still holding
I
it.
took above 60 something and I gave it like 20 cents. Yeah,
Okay.
it has to work immediately. If not,
I
bye
know, I
bye.
know. Okay, traders, here we are with the HIMS again on this 6070, and I think it's still holding itself though, but the whole market I just don't like how it's moving at the moment. And here we are finally. Okay, 68. This is what I wanted to see on the HIMS. I'm ready to take 75%. We just broke 68. Beautiful. And here I took it. I took 75% of the HIMS. Stop loss in the TEFS platform, as you can see, you have a visual trading. That means that you can actually trade on the chart. So I'm not going to do anything, just to put my stop loss slightly under my entry, which is under 67. And soared is indeed. Hopefully it's still going to push it a little bit higher there. Overall market is moving lower, and here comes our partial traders on the TQQQ. I'm going to take the same 75% off on the TQQQ. Here we are. I'm not going to be greedy. 20s. 20s is okay because 571, yeah, triple Q, it's just okay. Here is the 20. Fantastic. 91. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now I'm just going to buy back 75% of my TQQQ short traders. Done. TQQQ short. So two winners. NCLH I'm still holding, and CRWV I'm still holding. So HIMS I'm not holding it anymore. So 25% of the share size out, slightly under my entry, and I'm going to do the same with the TQQQ. I'm just going to set my stop loss. You can see it on the chart. Everything is transparent here, and here it is. Last 500 shares going to be out over, slightly over the entry. Okay, good start. Come on, CRWB. I was expecting from this NCLH a little bit better move here,
Yeah, I know. I want to
right?
take here SoFi 2320. I'm gonna give it a 25-cent stop. SOFI. All right.
SOFI.
Yeah.
I like that stock. It is like a really good price and quite of a big mover.
I like that stock when I'm success with them.
Yes, in
Yeah.
this case, we love all the stocks,
Yeah. Yeah.
the winners, at least.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah,
So
HIMS, I was too. It's okay.
so SoFi is in, NVO in, AMD was out. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, D King. I hope you got in on some of my calls. Okay, NCLH is still in, but my HIMS and TQQQ was out. Actually, in the HIMS, I was not right with the stop loss, guys, but it's okay. Right, it's still going to go higher. If you're still holding it, hold it because it seems like it's just pushing a bit higher now. SOFI. Did you call SOFI, Amir?
Yeah. 2320. Yeah.
2320.
Stop few cents under the 23.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm going to join here too. Let's see. All right. Just checking. And we had so many stocks with news today. Oh, ALGN, that was a nice short. Shoot. I'm still going to watch this. All right. Today is Thursday, right? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow tariffs are coming. Really, you know what? This summer so far it's so good, no? It was not a low sessions or something like that.
No bowling session. Yeah.
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 Okay. Yes, John. Huge order at 2350 on SOFI, and you have some resistance. Okay. Thank you. Let's see whether it can just push it higher. Hopefully it can.
This is why I wanted to start it like in 20. When I'm getting there, I'm a little bit more than 1 to 1. Not that I'm taking 1 to 1 profit, but still give me advantage. Sometimes,
Yeah, it's much better risk reward ratio, I would say. Nice. Oh, HIMS is still running traders. So if you were okay with the stop loss, not like me, I was a little bit tough on the stop loss because I entered a bit late, as you could see. Then second partial 69, put your stop loss under 68 and just let it run. Overall market trying to push back over the VWAP. Let's see. And here is the first pass on CRWV traders, CRWV. On the test platform, I don't know why it's not tradable again. I'm going to check the guys on that side to open it. So I trade it on my other platform. But here is the partialing point for the CRWV. Fantastic, 75% out again. And then let the rest run. Okay. Now, hopefully the SPY is going to get to some decision here. I don't know yet. Okay. 117. I would like to see 120 on the CRWV, by the way. Let's see, depends on this market too. NCLH is over the VWAP again. I'm still holding the full share size on NCLH. Meta is not that big mover now. Okay. CRWV. Ooh, beautiful on SOFI. And I did not join. Why I did not join?
I want
Okay.
to see if we can carry it towards 24.
Yeah. Where is your partial, Amir?
Hopefully around 24.
24.
I'm
Nice.
watching it on 2 days. Yeah. I think we have some resistance around 24, 19, 20, something like this. I want to see how we can get towards. It's going to
Mm-hmm.
be a good risk reward, like it can. First two trades were lost. This one can definitely easy can cover both of them with and profits. Like there was like 20 cents stop, 25. Definitely we can get almost 1 to 3. Let's see.
Mm.
That's my kind of calculation.
Yeah, that's why I like these nice mover stocks. It just can have such a nice risk reward ratio there. Trader CRWV, it's coming stop loss on the entry now and let it run. AMD again, John. Hi, Vitais. Good morning. You're watching Oracle and GP Morgan. Okay. AMD, yeah, it's looking much stronger now. I just
Yeah,
do
but
not have
there's
a good
no.
entry.
I didn't have any stop. Yeah.
Yeah, this is my problem too. I don't have a good entry on that, John, but let's see.
Want to
Okay.
do a second chance in NCLH over 64. Stop gonna be 30 cents. Gonna write you 26.64.
Right. I think CRWV second partial is going to be around 119 traders and then let it run. I'm still holding NCRH, so hopefully it's going to get back to 27 at least. Roblox is starting to be alive again as well. Let me just check it. RBLX. So how does it look like on the, oh my goodness, look at the daily of this stock. It's just amazing. RBLX. That's insane. All right. I think for Roblox, it is all-time high, no? Just check it. Not sure. 140. Yeah, I think it is all-time high because it was 42.21 on Roblox. Okay. Right,
So far,
traders? Yeah,
well,
go ahead.
getting like 40 cents. Looking good. Don't take a partial yet.
Okay. On HIMS traders, if you're still holding it, here comes the second partial just around, now just before 70, and put your stop loss under 68, 70, and it's okay. And the market seems like it's going back to the, wow, to the high of the day. Right, CRWV coming for the second partial here. Right. We're shorting up. You're shorting Apple. Vidice. Wow. Okay, let me just check Apple.
Who is short in Apple?
One of our
Videk.
trader in the room. Videk.
What's the reason, Videk? Like I'm watching Apple. I don't have any idea about long or short there. What stand behind it?
Mm. Yeah, it's quite, I don't know, it's all over the place now on the Apple. Okay, seems like we will get a new all-time high again. Traders HIMS, another partial if you are still holding it, and maybe CRWV, let's see. Still leave it, stop loss on the entry.
Yeah, QQQ. Look at QQQ in 5 minutes. Uh-uh.
Okay.
Doesn't matter what a QQQ. Let's say you thought it was weak. Apple was not weak. Like, well, not weak. ARM is weak. Look at
Mm.
ARM. See something dramatically. Apple? Hmm. No. No.
Hmm. I don't know, an ARM, it's a little bit too much to the downside now. Let's see. But I would say, yeah, if it's giving up, even it can break 140 today. Wow, HIMS. I left a lot of money on the table. Come on. That's annoying sometimes when you see that. Look, 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart confirmation for the Apple. Okay. If you see like that, you know what? I'm just going for the TQQQ. I don't know why I pronounce it dice. I thought it's a dice, but not dice. It's tick. Okay. Meta earnings was amazing, and you look at price, could not believe my eyes. Yeah, me neither. And have you seen Roblox?
Again, Roblox. It's a Roman. It's a Roman on the Nasdaq.
I'm totally fixated
Yeah.
on Roblox.
Yeah. I know. I know. Believe me. We notice, Aggie. We notice.
Yes, I know, I
We
know.
notice.
Oh my goodness. Actually, I had a swing trade on that, but I closed it out way too soon, unfortunately.
And
And since then,
CLH,
I'm
guys.
trying to get this money back.
Yeah. And CLH again. I'm waiting for that trigger. I have an order inside. 64 and 30 cents. ARM. You know what? I want to do something in ARM.
Yeah.
143.20. Yeah, I want to take ARM over 143.20, 60 cent stop. I want to scalp it. See, increasing the volume. And there's not a lot of institution there. It's not really total what I like regarding the formation, but I see something there. I'm not going to give it too much info. It has to move immediately. If not, probably, yeah, I'm going to give it 30 cent stop. 142.30 and stop going to be under 140. Just a second, I'm confused here. Yeah, the stop going to be like 40 cents. Yeah. 143.20 now.
Okay.
Okay, we have 50 cents in so far. It's looking good. I'm throwing an order. Maybe I will cancel it like before 24. Or you know what? I'm gonna do 24, maybe 08. Usually I'm gonna see if it can break and catch few cents more. Let's see. So I'm watching ARM. Um,
Apple. Hmm. Apple starting to look much more interesting there. CVNA, it's another one which I'm checking traders. I missed the VWAP reversal. That was nice there. And we should not forget about SMCI. Sometimes it's just starting to move, a little bit later. Let's see. VDA is not moving too much. Vidik, you called Meta 700. Yeah, earnings helped you. Microsoft keeping back. Yes, Microsoft is completely a different mover. Guys, be careful on CRWV. My stop loss is going to be under 116 now. 116, under 116. Okay. Whew, SPY is very slow again, but I was expecting that, Amir, I don't like when the market is moving too much in the
I
pre-market.
knew it will happen like this.
Yeah,
Everything was in the aftermarket, and
yeah.
now it just hit for both the and CLH. Probably we're not gonna have the trade. Yeah, I think it lost it.
Well,
I think the ship is sinking.
yes,
Don't I think the ship is sinking right now.
exactly.
I'm watching ARM, guys.
Uh, if it's breaking 26:30, I'm going to be out first loser of the day, but three winners, so it's okay. I'm watching here NVDA as well. CVNA too much. CRWV is out, traders. CRWV is out. Wow, CVS. Somehow I just missed this one. Fortunately, QCon dropping. Okay. SPY very much hovering on the new all-time high, around at least. Nothing about MU. Oh, SOFI, it's slow but steady. I like these stocks, which she's going like HIMS without me, but
Mhm.
nice, slow and steady too. Okay. Roblox, Ravindra, what should we do with Roblox? Because Roblox is, I see it's pulling back now. However, don't forget that it was a mind-blowing numbers on the Roblox. Meta over 782. Do you think it still can go higher? I don't know. Its volume is getting lower there. I think I would not touch this Meta here. Alamu. Which I am watching is maybe Amazon, but Amazon, it's interesting that Amazon going to release the earnings after market close and look at that volume. It's just nothing there. We decline this market because it respects the levels. Well, yeah, so far at least, so far. Okay, I'm out of this NCLH. Start. Okay, ARM. You entered on the ARM, Amir?
I enter and I got out immediately. I
Oh,
told you I gave it like not a lot of, so it's okay.
I
I took
see.
amount for that one. Yeah, I wanted to see if it's breaking. Broke like 20 cents and came back. So for me, it's not.
Not relevant anymore.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. All right. Market is low so far. It's not good. Hood is going higher again. That's a beast.
What I'm gonna do is I see the volume coming. I will do a second chance in arm. 43.40 is gonna be a dollar stop. I like what he's doing now. Holding nice the view up.
Hmm? Okay.
If it's hold the view up.
Checking the weak stocks now because the market is not that strong yet, at least. Oh, Shaq was a very nice short. Missed it. Oh, Ferraris had earnings as well.
Scott, I think from the IPO he hold like a very small amount of shares
Oh,
for the
really? Oh,
for the
really, really?
Ferrari.
He bought it.
Yeah,
That was a good one because since then it
I
went
don't
up,
know.
but
I don't know. What is the price now?
it's well, it fell down 450, but
Mm.
it was IPO'd. Let me just check it. 48? Is it right? Wow. Okay. Huge move. I just pulled back a little bit, not a little, a lot actually.
Everybody wants to hold a Ferrari, huh?
Yes. You know what? Even if it's a stock, it's okay. Mike is
Yeah.
going to buy you a real Ferrari after he's going to sell it, you know. He can buy the
Maybe.
Ferrari. Alamu, you were right. I was chickened out from this meta, but now it's moving too. SPY looks like it really wants to break out again. No, I told you not to forget SMCI and I forgot, and now it just broke this beautiful intraday breakout on 70s. It's too late for me now, unfortunately. Okay, traders so far very slow market, but we have some movers. How about SOFI?
It's doing okay. It's doing
Ah,
okay.
I
It did
see.
like 1 to 3. It did like 60 cents, which is okay. You know, the
Beautiful.
stop was very small, but it looks good. Holding nice the 9 EMA. No complaint. I've complained about others, but not about SOFI. SOFI is looking good. ARM, guys. Second chance in ARM. In. Okay. Now it's a patient, more different trade. The other one was kind of a scalpy one. Need to work immediately here. We have a stop under the view up, and basically we have it's a good movers. So even if we're gonna do half of the ATR, it's totally fine.
Okay. At the moment, I am flat, no trades, 3 winners, 1 loser so far. Market just cannot break through the highs. And I missed SMCI. I was warning you to follow it, and I just missed it. Okay. CVNA still pushing higher. Amazing.
Okay, guys, we're getting towards the dollar in arm, but yeah, that's not my target. But looking good, at least now.
Okay. Tesla.
Towards 146, I think we have some resistance. Okay, good. We have $1.50. Let's see if we can break 145.
Oh, great move so far.
Yeah, no complaint. Let's see if I want to see. We have some resistance. I see 145.60 from day before, some low, but I want to see if we can get there.
Okay.
And we are still in. Nothing doing. Think you need to go again under the 80. Okay, we're getting close to 145. Let's see. Okay, here is 145, but not in the bid. I want to see it in the bid, and I want to see the other one going again higher. Arms look good for short, Zidek. So short it. Why it looking good for what? Look at the volume. Volume increasing. It's going. It did like few candles side move along the view up. Broke that support. Which that's the area when we enter. Our stop is under. The 9 EMA is turning around. Unless I'm going to turn my computer upside down, it looks for long. It looks for long. At least now. I'm not saying for the future. Right now, it's looking good for long.
I see some red candles in the meantime, traders. Um, and might I'm going to take an advantage on that again with the TQQQ. Let's see.
It's okay. We need to fresh the screen, Ragi. We
Yeah,
need to look for more stocks, yeah.
yeah, yes,
All my
because the
candidate,
market
I
is,
can throw them to the garbage now.
yeah,
Nothing
it's
is
not
going
really
on.
moving.
BNX.
ARM still looks good. Hmm. Ooh, SOFI, what a reversal. That's beautiful. I like that reversal from the semi-run number. It's great. AMD. NVIDIA is completely in silent mode today. Ooh, Apple. As if Apple is
Okay,
breaking
guys, we're
out.
getting to 2 points in arm. Um, area good for a partial, I think, even though I see the volume increasing, but you know what? It's good. Now, I was talking with Aggie. In the future, we're going to do some session, mentoring session here, like a
Mm-hmm.
lecture. I'm going to tell you what will be the title for the first one. It's something that I really love, and sometimes people not doing this just because psychology. It's the second chance. Second chance, not revenge. So the first trade in arm was lost. Immediately after, when I saw that it rejected the view up and going up, I knew I have to go it again. And not because I'm, again, want to get my money back, is because sometimes you need maybe one, two tries, yeah, for your idea, and it's totally okay. It's totally okay. So just think about it.
Yeah, actually, you are right, Amir. Not too many traders like to take the
Good.
second chances on the stock.
Because you think that because you lost, I fucked up, and
Yeah.
but it's not true. It's not true. Sometimes you can see really clear, but there are forces that stronger than you. It's totally fine. You see, I'm respecting my stop, and I don't have problem to do it again. Let's see, we can get maybe 3 point now, 4 points. That's could be a really good, and that's what I didn't have problem to take a dollar stop here because I knew that this ATR of that stock is huge.
Mm.
It's like 5 point, and today because of the earning, the relevant volume today, the relative is much bigger. It's 10, meaning 10 times more the average volume. So think about how much these stocks can do and what
Yeah.
it can do. It's the same sector of all those semi whatever, arm. For some reason, probably the earning was not something not good, but and you learn in the last few years, every drop. it's a good excuse for the investment to just buy it.
Yes.
So I don't know if they're going to buy it or not, but the high of the day is 149, which is 4 points from here, which will give us at least, almost 6 points. And if it's going to break it, I don't know. This is like when you have trades with edge, that's edge. There's
Mm,
nothing to hold it. So go
definitely
ahead.
looks really
Go
good.
ahead. Yeah.
146. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's a 3 points, like 1 to 3. It's good. It's a
Mm,
good profits. Yeah.
very good indeed.
Your
Okay.
loss need to be the most, your risk unit. Sometimes you can reduce whatever, but you just can't go behind that. Your profits, definitely you need to find those like give you few risk reward, and that's supposed to be the ratio. Has to be the
Mm,
ratio, because if you let your loser be, more, uh, you're
yeah.
done. You're
On the
done.
long run, yep,
You're done. On
you
the
have
short
to.
run, even, Aggie.
Yeah.
Even on the short run.
If you will
You're
get
not
to
gonna
the
get
long
for the
run.
long run because you're gonna be on the short run.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah, yeah. Everybody talking from his own experience, believe me.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't think the green bars were reflected in my eyes immediately. No way. No way. Sometimes I thought I saw them, but the PNL show differently. So
Yeah, that's for sure.
yeah.
Okay. Alex, which one? PA and W. Yeah, I've seen that, but at the moment I cannot see any entry there. And we should watch it, I think, for tomorrow as well.
They
Looks like it's
bought
a
some
great buy.
Israeli company like $25 billion. I just read yesterday.
Yeah, yeah, Alex just writing that they do
I
not
wrote
like
it.
the new acquisition.
Yeah, yeah. They got 25 billion. Yeah, they bought them.
Mm, wow. Actually, it looks like it's a maybe still a continuation over. I don't know
You're gonna hear
exactly.
Brixel, whether we like it or not. Whether it's a good trade or not. You definitely hear. There's at least for me. I tell where I'm in, where I'm out. Uh, Even when it's going well, like in SoFi, I'm giving you where I want to take the profits, and yeah, you have to work with plan for every trade.
Yeah.
Um, Good. I'm almost did the 147. Okay. Um, yeah, I'm looking good.
Mm,
How does it look on the 15 minutes? Yeah, it looks really good. A
it's just a 50 EMA here on my chart at least.
hard stop.
Stopped.
I'm not busy right now, like busy. I'm just in this NVO that is not doing nothing. I think I'm reducing. I got like 90. So right now I'm 6 cents against me, but let me think. Yeah, now it's 3 cents. I'm going to count to 10, and after that, I'm reducing half position. If it's breaking, I'm not going to do it, but it's too much time for me, and there's nothing going on there. And so the view up, so it can actually surprise me and just jump it or break it down. But I have to do it because this is like my trading plan, like a trader. It doesn't mean which strategy I'm doing. If I'm in trade for a while with no partial, and definitely it's around the support, whatever. Yeah, reduce half position. I have to lower my risk again. If it's gonna go, I still have half. If it's gonna go against me, I have a stop. I'm gonna lose half position. So, but I have to do it. Like it's not that I have some kind of second thought with myself. No,
Hmm.
the time passed and I need to do it. Yeah. With arms, I didn't do. It's a problem with those pretty stocks, to put a stop, even though you can. Like for example, if my stop was $1, like under uh, the round number, I think I'm not gonna do it like 98, 97, of course, because of the spread. So it's going to be at least like 20, 30 cents under. I'm taking this into consideration and
Mm.
taking less amount, like more than $1 stop. You understand? But uh, yeah, with those spready stock, it's sometimes problem, because they know exactly where your stops, and because of the
Yeah.
spreads, and this is when I'm entering. There is so much difference between the bid and the ask, and sometimes the market, uh, the guys that are doing this on purpose. So yeah,
Yeah, they like to hunt for the stop losses for sure.
yeah, yeah.
I
They,
get
they see
that.
everything. There are algo that actually see that. It's not really difficult, to I knew that that was the area of the stop, but according to me, that was the trading plan. I
Mm.
couldn't find. I will not put it on the low of the day because then it's not good for me.
Mm. Traders, in the meantime, I'm going to enter TQQQ 9148
Aggie, what do you
for
think about your
short.
hymns? A reversal here. What do you think?
I
Let's see
was
if we
watching it, yep. Looks well.
69.40, 69.40, dollar to the high, 40 cents. Not bad,
Mm.
not bad. Yeah, we have a kind of a 40 cent and we have like a dollar, like one into two and a half.
Mm.
What is
Looks
but
interesting.
yeah, but I'm watching it on the 5 and on the 15 and I'm not gonna take it.
A bit
It's
slow
not
then.
clear. Yeah, it's not clear. Okay, guys, after Amir reduced with NVO dropped like 20 cents, which I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm not regret. I'm not regret. I'm happy. It could do the
Good.
same candle on the opposite and kick me out. You never know. You never know. I'm fine.
Alex, I don't like CVS. I mean the stock itself. I know it's a big mover, but I don't know. I just cannot read. It's all over the place for
CVS.
me. He's just shorting it.
I used to
6607
trade a
stop.
lot CVS. I liked
Did you?
CVS.
I
I
never liked
used
this
to in the
stock. I don't know
past,
why. Mm.
and WBA also. It's still existing.
Yeah.
No, it's not. No, 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 it's not existing. I think. Look at this.
Which
It
one?
exists, but it's. I think they were bought years ago. WBA. WBA is
Oh,
Walgreen. Yeah, yeah. I think they're gone. Okay, so CVS. CVS is
no,
very
it's not.
technical.
WBA still exists, does exist,
Yeah,
but
but look,
doesn't
look,
look good.
look at the
Oh,
look at the
yes, I
look.
know what you mean.
Yeah. So let me see. CVS, I knew that in the past there was supposed to be a lot of institutional still.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, had earning. Yeah, they had earning.
Yes.
Uh, so what did you do, Alex? Did you short it?
Yeah, he did.
It
Short
it did
50 cents
short.
target and 6607 stop. He wrote.
Okay. Um, I understand what you did, but Agi, do you have? Let me see. You don't use the 9 EMA. You use the VWAP, correct?
Yeah, but I can just get it on. Just a sec.
Give the 9 EMA, yeah. Put the 9 EMA and you'll CVS. Because I'm watching it CVS. It's right now exactly between the VWAP and that. Like it's got under. I know what you're doing. You shot it under the VWAP, but the 5 9 EMA is holding it really nice. Like 65.80 can be a really good position for a long, and I'm hopeful it's not going to happen, but you probably above 80, you're going to see a big volume.
Hmm?
Uh, yeah, exactly. You see, it's exactly locked. Like it broke. I understand what you did. You got under the but you see how the 9 EMA supported it,
Holding.
and now you can see two candles now, given now, and if it's breaking above with a god volume above 80, yeah, hopefully the round number will hold you, but. Um, what do you think about sound?
Sound round. Sound.
SOUN?
Yep.
SOUN.
Oops. checking it.
Okay, it's 1080. High of the day is like 60 cent above. Your stop is around 6 cents. The volume today doesn't look amazing. Let's see if there is something amazing. So, right now, no, relevant volume is 1.2. No advantage. Yeah, you see the formation, you see reversal, but maybe only you see that. There's nothing there, really. So you have to see, you want to see that people. Oh, NVO, guys, we're getting towards the low. Somebody's still in NVO, guys. Somebody took it?
Wow.
No, Agi, it's not so wow. It's like maybe 30, 40 cents.
No, no, I don't mean on the yeah,
Oh, yeah.
but on the stock that it just cannot get on its feet.
Yeah.
It's just wow.
Yeah. It's
Going
like
down like
I'm
crazy.
I'm trading it from
Yeah.
for the last, I don't know, 4 days. Every day it's like not second, third, and because I was watching the weekly and everything, they have good support around 47.50, Aggie.
Yeah, I see that.
47.50, I can actually flip aside. If I'm not correct, they have a lot of institutional there.
Mm,
So maybe they will call their friends to start buying it.
let's see.
Ah, no. It's not this one. No, there's no institution there. There's no short there. There's nothing there. Just drop. Who cares?
Okay.
Yeah. Who cares?
Guys, in the meantime, TQQQ is on the brink. Still waiting a little bit more weather because the triple Q is on the lows as well. So we really need to break through. If it cannot break through, I don't care. I'm not going to risk my hard-earned profit for today. I'm going to take a small partial here, even 10 cents, because this is a
Which
very, very, very risky level on the market, on the
which
triple
stock you
Q.
are, Aggie?
TQQQ, shorting the market.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely
But
leave tails. You're right.
yeah, yeah,
It's not
I just don't like.
capitulation. There's no capitulation there. Yeah.
Just don't like this that it just went down, you see, and it's just breaking 572. Shoot, triple Q. I was expecting just a small, lower, a little bit lower. No, and it cannot. These bulls are amazing today, guys.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. Oh, come on. Leave me alone. Another green candle here. Who is buying on the top? Tell me, please, who is buying on the
People
top?
that actually saw the good earning and just running.
Yeah, the FOMO, right?
Today it's so easy to buy. With all this
Mm,
platform on the
yeah.
on the on your telephone and everything. Like I see the advertising. Yeah, I'm investor. Yeah, somebody that have the application that he can buy. Yeah, he is an investor. Okay, good luck for you. But everybody feeling, everybody pumping it. So
Yeah, that's
because I'm
true.
getting too many questions, about those kind of things. Much more in the past. I refuse to answer them, because I don't like to get some conversation. Most of the people don't know nothing, so I don't like to
Mm,
tell them that. So I prefer to avoid the conversation. Yeah. The last
yeah.
wisdom guy. Yeah, he's buying stocks before the earning because he's reading them. Okay, good luck. Good
Yeah, I
strategy, yeah?
always, I
Yeah.
tried sometimes, but I always burned
No,
myself,
no,
so
no, I don't.
it's not good, fortunately. Okay, guys, in the meantime, TQQQ is back to the entry, but I just do not trust this whole market here on that level. So I'm just getting off half of my share size here. It should have get lower now by that time, but it just cannot. That's not good. SPY is on the VWAP, triple Q, it's on the lows, cannot break it through. I was deciding to get in because I've seen Nvidia is pulling back at this time. Apple was not the strongest either, but now it's just not doing the job indeed again. So bulls are still very strong. Maybe at one point of the day we will see the pullback, but so far strong. So it's coming back again to the 50s. SPY is very strong. It's interesting the SPY is stronger now than, I mean, in the price action, it's since the beginning of the day, it's stronger than the triple Q.
You see, Alex, what's going on with CVS? You see? Hopefully, some sellers will come around the round numbers. You see, I'm just watching it just because you mentioned me that stock that I used to love. See, it got to
Mhm.
66, rejected, but yeah, there is a battle there. It's nice. What can you say about that stock? It's very technical, really technical, really. Look at this, like you have a nice pattern from the opening and then candle up and then to the veer up, side move, break. Now it's exactly between, 66, but probably and a few cents. It can make another bull flag here and then can get to the high. I didn't see the daily. You know what? The daily of CVS. Yeah, there is a good upside there.
Apple move is crazy today. Like it's
Ugly.
mm, very, very, very ugly indeed. What is that coin? Coin is moving lower. I don't care about coin. Okay. Other half of TQQQ is going to be out soon as well, traders, because I just don't like this market. The bulls are still fighting. I still give a little chance there, but mm. I need to see Apple and Nvidia to drop at the same time. In this case, maybe I could see some profit on my TQQQ.
No problem, Aggie. Few phone calls and I will ask them to line up. Yeah, no
Please.
problem.
Okay, here we are back on TQQQ with the entry, as I've told you, and
Hey,
I'm
what's up?
ready to definitely a little bit lower my share size there. Here we are, lowering my share size a bit, traders, like a half soon. And then let's see whether I will get this nice move which I was expecting. Here we are, 40 good, 30 very good, very good, a little bit more. Get me that drop, come on.
I'm gonna raise my stopping arm under my entry. No entry, you know what? 43. Under 143.
Okay,
We'll see if
and
we can. Let me see what's the low here. 143.85. You know what? Under my entry. 143.40. That could be okay.
okay, traders, 70% out now. 91.20. We started to drop, but this is still the low of the TQQQ. So it still can just make a U-turn like crazy. So I took out 70% of the share size, 500 left, as you can see. Ooh,
Think your your next candle will be crucial, Aggie.
mm,
You're gonna be away from the nine and everything, and then hopefully you're gonna see free falling. But the next candle in about how much? 17 cents seconds. I think it could be significant.
yeah, that's why, I've decided rather to take off the table a bit because it's quite definitely a risky move because the market is strong today. Also, it's obvious it's very extended. So I'm still waiting for a little bit more profit taking coming. Maybe not today, but tomorrow with the tariffs misery. Who
You're
knows?
trading the TQQQ, but you're watching the QQQ, correct?
Exactly.
You're not using the. Yeah, that's what I used
Exactly.
to do on. Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly. This is what I'm doing. And my next partial is going to be when we are breaking 91 traders. So it was way too risky to hold a whole bunch of stocks here. Indeed. Hi, Nathan. Nice to see you. Okay, traders, stop loss on the tick. You could definitely over 91.50 now. The rest of the shares. This was my fourth spinner. I think so. And one loser for today. Okay. Are you still holding anything? Yeah, you're still holding ARM, right?
I'm arm and I'm
Mm.
NVO, NVO and
NVO.
arm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sophie is out, SOFI.
No, sorry, Sophie also. No, no, no. I didn't even take a partial yet.
Ah, okay.
I'm just raising my stop right now. Now it's under my entry because I see the market's doing like this, and so far is side move,
Mm.
correcting not in price, correcting like if it's gonna get again to the 80, not break it, I'm gonna take a partial there. So
Okay. Come on, TQQQ. 91 is getting closer. And CVS is going higher. Look at that.
yeah,
Yes,
it
you were
looks like
right with
this,
the 9
Aggie.
a.m.
Yeah, it
extension.
looks Aggie.
Mm,
It looks the technical. It just looks yeah.
it's great. I think I need one more coffee. No more coffee. I couldn't drink coffee for 2 days. I was
Because
suffering.
the hot, you could drink
Yeah.
it cold or not.
Not too cold, not too hot, but I like it ice or hot. So not in between. So I just
Okay.
decided, okay, I'm not going to drink it. Okay, come on, market. Ah, what is this? Ah, the SPY is still holding. Can't believe it. If the market is making a U-turn again, traders, I would still keep an eye on SMCI as I just missed the first nice move on that, but maybe there can be still interesting if the bulls are going to be back. What is
I'm
Meta
gonna buy
doing?
AMD guys here, 180.75, $80 stop. Yeah. I want to do AMD exactly here, about
Okay.
76. Stop is the low of that candle, so it's a dollar stop. High of the day, yeah. Because if you watch AMD, every drop buyers are coming. Yeah, there was a big red two candles, and then immediately the buyer came, bought almost to the high, got to the view up, and immediately the buyers came. So we came in the middle of this candle. High of the
Okay.
day, 182.50.
It's AMD, right?
AMD, yeah, yeah.
Checking. Nice. Nice green candle there, like that. Okay. What else in here? Tesla is weak today, but it's very slow.
Tesla slow,
Yeah.
like there's no charge for the car today.
Yeah.
Really, Tesla is no battery. Yeah.
Yeah. Electricity is off, maybe. My goodness. I don't know. I just decided not to have Tesla at all. Like I was watching this. How is it called in English? Wait,
מה?
when they're breaking the
Mhm.
cars into a wall.
איזה שטות זה? זה החלטה
This
ש...
this
אה,
tests. How is it
נו, לא,
called?
אבל אתם מטיפים את השני, לא? זה מרד שלך.
Crash test.
לא אכפת, באיזה שעה זה?
Oh, Amir is not talking to me.
לא.
Crash test, yes.
Yes.
And actually, the
No,
Tesla was the
I can
worst.
talk to you in Hebrew, but I don't think you're gonna understand, Aggie. So
Not really, maybe some words,
yeah,
but
no, 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 no. I'm talking fast, so no, you're not. I'm gonna talk to you in Hebrew, and you're gonna talk to me in Hungary, and we're gonna go far.
oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really good, hectic room. Yeah,
That's for sure. Okay. So, did you hear what I say about the Tesla?
that is no. There's no battery or what? You
No.
bought it or
No, not battery. I was just watching a crash test. Like it was Mercedes, Volkswagen,
okay?
Audi, Tesla, these big American cars, and Tesla, it was like, the percentage, how much is the survival rate when it
Yeah.
just
Okay.
it got a big,
They had inside the crash test dummies. You know, this is the no
yeah.
the crash test dummies are like they imitate people. You know, there's dolls inside
Oh
size of
no, it
people,
was
and
no,
you
no.
can see.
You did not need the doors for that actually, because it was just. I mean, they wrote the percentage how high it is to survive, and it was like, but it came with a big SUV or something like that behind and it was in front of the wall, so it's the worst. But you can
Okay.
just imagine.
So who
But the
was the
Tesla,
safest one?
Tesla was -1% on survival. It was like not just completely crashed, but it just completely blew off because of the electricity in it. So
Oh.
it
So
was,
which car was the strongest one?
I think, if I remember right, it
The
was
Audi.
no, it was a Mercedes, but I don't know
Yeah.
the type, and it was one
Hmm.
of a big SUV American. I don't know.
Oh.
It was not Ford
Okay.
Range, so I don't know. I don't remember. So wow, so I just decided hands off of Tesla. I don't want it.
You like to watch this? You are a car person?
Yeah, pretty I
Really?
am
I don't. I
actually.
really don't like.
I like cars.
I'm not interested in cars. No,
I like
no.
cars. I don't like prestige cars, I like big and safe cars. Since my children. Before that, I had some.
Maybe you will buy Seat Ibiza in Spain. I don't know which car.
Sad, yes, there's this sad, but
With
I had
with this,
sad, so thank you. It's a really good car, but no.
yeah. I think my
Okay,
son
guys,
is.
let's just get to this TQQQ back. I'm going to move my stop loss just on the entry because I feel like if the market is going to make a reversal, it's going to happen like now. So no more chance for the Tesla. TQQQ. Neither for the Tesla. ARM good trade, Ravindra. Yes, it was Amir's call, ARM. I'm just going to the chart. You can check it again. It was a fantastic call, and it's still going to the right direction. SOFI too. And I'm going to be out, I think, TQQQ because seems like the market is going to change its mind again and moving higher. Okay. SPY triple Q still muted completely. At least triple Q broke the lows, but doesn't mean too much so far. How about NVO short? Now let's see. NVO short. Hmm. This seems like it's a never-ending story for this poor company so far. When it was so low, 2022 September, we have not seen it since then so low. So what would be the entry here on NVO? For me, it's too late to short. Nitsan. Ah, you are in 80, 48.80. Okay. For
And
me, it's too
view.
late.
Yeah. No, I got there, Nitzan, very, very early, but
Yeah.
maybe 10 cents above you. Your stop is very, yeah, above the 49. Alex, did you see what happened? Because of you, I'm watching CVS. You see what it did? It broke like if there was a trigger around 66.05. It did like 25 cents, 1, 2, 3, and see the big boom bar. Brought it back. Look at this. That's a really nice, you know, uh, trading plan. Really,
Yeah.
somebody did really nice. Brought the people, got them out, and then boom, got them in.
Wiping
Got
out.
Yeah, wipe them, and you see, you actually can understand the way of this trade was processed, huh? Even though you see the big bars, it's not. It's like 85,000 shares. You could. Yeah, but look at this trade right now. Wow,
Mm.
that's nice.
Traders, I'm just taking a
Yeah.
second partial on the TQQQ in the meantime. We broke the 91. I just took it. And let's see whether we can move even lower here. Sorry, Amir.
No, no, it's fine. I told you that bar earlier in the QQQ was the crucial. When
Mm.
you actually finish it, then 3 candles. Yeah. Still in arm, guys. Can watch it now in 15 minutes. I'm only in arms. I'm giving a few more cents for AMD. Market broke. It's not gonna give me a lot of chance, but I giving it a little bit more AMD. Like instead, I'm giving it like 10, 15 cents more. It's not really crucial, It was a dollar stop, so it's gonna be $1.10, another 10%. It's not a big deal. Probably under 80. You're not gonna see me there. 179, yeah, 80.
Mm. Okay, Nitsan, you want NVO 1 to 2? Ah, now that's why I told you it was too late. I would have entered around 48, I don't know, 90, 80 something.
You have a strong resistance around 1 to 1.
Yeah.
A little bit even less. So, and sometimes this stock needs some time to digest, It can be like this during lunch and even maybe after, things can happen. That was if you watch the stocks yesterday exactly, see it broke, got via, blah, 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 blah. Second part of the day, there was the drop. Um, so maybe you need patience, you can put automatic orders and that's it.
Okay. Qcom is really weak too, but very slow now. I would not touch it. I'm just maybe for tomorrow, I like it for tomorrow. Okay.
Qualcomm used to be the master of the chip, every iPhone had a chip of Qualcomm and something like this. I think they are producing now by themselves, so they niche is really slowly now. I don't know what they are doing except that, but yeah, in the past they used to get commission for every iPhone
Mm.
because of their chip. Now, I don't know.
Hmm. Yeah, now it's a really huge competition in that chip sector. And definitely NVIDIA is the ruler. It's just amazing. Okay. Oh, another red candle on the market? Okay.
Too good for Aggie.
Yeah, I still have some shares on the TQQQ traders now, though I'm going to move my stop loss to 91.80, looking a little bit more profiting. Do we think the gap will close in SPY, Amir? I went for it, Nitsan, in the morning. I told to the guys that
A
we
gap,
should take
a
it
gap
into
like this.
consideration.
I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I don't care really. I'm not even thinking about it.
Hmm.
It's a big gap. No, like no, it's not a big gap. Okay, so if it's gonna close, so what? Mm, I don't think it's matter. In the past, there used to be something. If it's closed, then. But I don't know. I'm watching some other stock that already finished, close the gap. What's Microsoft is doing? MSFT.
Suffering.
Correcting. Meta.
MSFT.
I wish I would suffer in Meta also. They kept the high and yeah, 700 something. Wow.
Mm.
The workers of Meta that have shares, really happy today.
That's
Really
for
happy.
sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Roblox too, I would say.
You argue in the Roblox.
Again.
Roblox. Wow, Roblox is 140. I think it
Mm.
was, what was the numbers of? Wow, weekly. Robinhood also had earning. The chart is weird. For some reason, I read, they are doubling the profit. They have huge profit. I don't know why this is what they are doing, but they had huge profit the last quarter.
Wait, Hood
Um,
is not after the market close, but I'm just going to check it.
no, the hood was yesterday after.
Oh,
I know
really?
I
Oh,
was
okay.
I
Sorry.
trade to the end of the day yesterday, and
Ah, okay.
I stay for to see. And Hood started pretty high the earning. It got to 111. So I don't know why it's dropped all the way back. Probably they have some interest with MU because this is the attitude of MU. You know, they give you
Yes,
ideas about something, but then they do something else. It's a ridiculous
exactly.
company. Yeah.
All
Oh,
right.
NVO, NVO.
Yeah, it's
Good,
working
good.
finally.
Yeah, it's working. Patient. What's the low of the day? 48, 46. Okay. Looking
Mhm.
good. Again, according to the weekly 47.50, it's a good area. So
Mhm.
I'm still there.
Good. I'm still holding still this TQQQ as well. My stop loss is going to be over 90, 91 now. If it's going to go over 91, I'm going to be out, and I don't think so. I'm going to take a partial here.
Alex, I was talking about, you probably were not here. I was talking with Aggie that they did a really nice tricks there. Like they did a nice bull flag, brought the people up, like 25 cents side move, and then the boom bar. A lot of times it's happened. A lot of time. To tell you the truth, if I could, I couldn't see that. Like it was above the 9, above the 10, and then they came above the view up, and yeah, you see it a lot. So it just give you perspective of, how are you small, and
Yeah.
it's fine. It's fine, but and sometimes it piss you off, because you saw that, but on the way that they kick you out, and they did this without you. Happened to all of us, really. Still happens sometimes, yeah. IPO Fig is in. Not yet. Not yet. FIG. But probably because everybody like it, it's gonna be tough to trade it. I I I used to love to do IPOs, Aggie. Love it. Used to be
Me
really
too.
nice, but then
Yeah,
it's just lost
I
its
know.
mojo.
for me too. I'm not trading it anymore, actually.
No, for some time I'm tempted to do it, but because I know what will be the result, I'm doing it really with a small. Like it's
Mm.
like really, I feel sometimes like it's gambling, but I'm taking like 10%, something like this, and my success rates there probably 5%.
Hmm. Yeah, it was the same with me, so I
Yeah,
just don't
yeah,
want
like
to waste my
all
time
the
with that
all
kind
the
of.
rules, all the playbook for that,
Yeah,
I
I
can
know.
throw it in the window. Yeah, it's not.
I know. Okay. All right. I think I'm just going to call it as a day, guys, because I still have this TQQQ. Let's see whether we are going to melt down a little bit with this market and nothing else.
If you have any
And
question, I'm gonna be here like another 4 minutes. So if you have question, that's the time.
oh yeah, definitely, guys, use
If you
it
have
because
question,
Amir is with us here 2 days, so all yours,
2 days.
Amir.
So
I'm going to
yeah.
come back to
So use me.
another
Yeah.
stream.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful green day at the end. Trade wisely because it seems like the market really pulling back. This was I was waiting for it. That's why I have this TQQQ still. Of course, it can change in a second. And I'm going to leave you in good hands of Amir. Amir, thank you very much, and see you
Thank you,
next day.
Agi.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Alex, it's not second chance because I didn't see that. Like, I know what happened there, but this is not something that I can see. I can trade. What happened is arms. It's a version of my bread and butter. Okay, I know. I look for those formation, and I was a little bit skeptical because it's not exactly one to one what my playbook about. If it was really my playbook like this, I was probably 5, 6 times more with my shares. Really, really. I need to see my. There's not a lot of institutional there, but if there were, what I earned in that, I could really huge. It was a huge. It's a green trade for me, but it could be huge. Something really like. But yeah, CVS. Um, NVO, what I'm doing is I throw an order a few cents above 48 to take my first partial is around 90 cents. And where it got, he got to 10. Where did I put it? Put it on 5. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trading. I'm trading NVO the last 4 days. Yeah, it's a good. It's a good. It's a good candidate. Okay, guys. So if you don't have more question, thank you very much. And I'm gonna see you on Tuesday. And definitely in the future, we're gonna do some maybe session mentoring, like lecture, like. And I told you what will be my first one, the second chance. So gonna give you exposure to something that you don't use often, but definitely it's crucial. So this is my email if you want to ask question, whatever. Thank you guys. Bye.